Welcome to our lesson on data types in Python. Understanding data types is crucial for programming, as they define the data we can work with and the operations we can perform on that data. In Python, data types are dynamic, meaning you don't have to explicitly declare them when creating variables. This lesson will introduce you to the most common data types in Python, how they differ from each other, and how to use them effectively in your programs. Don't worry if this feels new at first. Now we're on 1. Numeric types. Python has two main numeric types: integers and floating point numbers. Integers are whole numbers, while floating point numbers represent real numbers and can include a decimal point. First, integer. A whole number, either positive or negative without decimals. Finally, float. A number that contains a decimal point. Here's a simple example demonstrating both types. I'll let you read the examples on screen rather than reading every line aloud. Next, 2. String type. Strings in Python are sequences of characters enclosed in single or double quotes. They can include letters, numbers, symbols, and whitespace. Strings are immutable, meaning once created, their value can't be changed. Here's how to create and manipulate strings. See the example on this slide. Pause if you want to study the details. Now we're on 3. Boolean type. The Boolean type in Python has two possible values: true and false. Booleans are often used in conditional statements and comparisons. Example of using Boolean values. The samples on screen walk through this step. Take a moment to read through them. For list type, let's dig in. Lists are ordered collections of items that can be of different data types. They're mutable, meaning you can change their content after creation. Lists are defined using square brackets. Here's how to create and manipulate lists. I'll let you read the examples on screen rather than reading every line aloud. Next, 5. Dictionary type. Dictionaries are collections of key-value pairs. Each key must be unique and immutable, while the values can be of any data type. Dictionaries are defined using curly braces. Here's an example of creating and using a dictionary. See the example on this slide. Pause if you want to study the details. Now we're on 6. Tuple type. Tuples are similar to lists but are immutable, meaning once created, their values can't be changed. They're defined using parentheses. Example of using tuples. The samples on screen walk through this step. Take a moment to read through them. In this lesson, we explored several fundamental data types in Python, including numeric types, integers, and floats, strings, booleans, lists, dictionaries, and tuples. Each type serves different purposes and has its own unique characteristics. Understanding these types will help you write more effective and efficient Python code. Alright, your turn. Give this a try. First, create a variable for your favorite number and print its type. Also, create a string variable with your name and print the first letter of your name. Also, declare a list of your 3 favorite foods, then add a 4th food and print the list. Also, make a dictionary to store information about your favorite book, title, author, year, and print the title. Finally, create a tuple that contains the names of 3 of your friends and print the second friend's name.